No fluff, no gimmicks, just practical insights on how to set up a source of additional income without limits. We'll break it down into easy-to-follow steps and strategies for affiliate marketing so you can get started right away. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Finding the right product. The journey to successful affiliate marketing begins with finding the right product to promote. In this step, we'll guide you through the process of making a well-informed choice. First, start by selecting a niche or audience that genuinely piques your interest. To do this, jot down a list of 10 things that you are personally passionate about. These could be hobbies, areas of expertise, or subjects you enjoy exploring. This initial brainstorming will help you tap into your genuine enthusiasm, making the entire process more enjoyable. Next, narrow down your options by selecting a niche within broad categories such as health, wealth, relationships, technology, or travel. By focusing on a specific niche, you'll have a more defined target audience to cater to. Now, let's talk about the affiliate products themselves. Platforms like Digistore24 and ClickBank are treasure troves for finding a wide range of digital products. For beginners, it's often recommended to promote digital products due to their high profit margins. Look for products priced between $500 to $1,000, as they tend to offer better commissions compared to lower-priced physical products. Higher-priced digital products also often imply a higher level of quality and value, which can make your marketing efforts more rewarding. Before you start promoting, it's crucial to test the product yourself, which may involve purchasing it. By doing this, you can ensure that you're endorsing a quality product that can genuinely help your audience. Your credibility and the trust of your audience are invaluable assets in affiliate marketing. So in a nutshell, choose a niche you're passionate about, explore products within that niche, and test them to ensure you're offering real value to your audience. This is the foundation for your successful affiliate marketing journey. Step 2. Choosing a platform. Now that you've found the right product, the next step is to decide on the platform for promoting it. Your choice largely depends on your available resources, time, and money. If you have more time to invest and are looking to minimize expenses, consider leveraging free traffic sources. These can include social media, content marketing, and search engine optimization. While they require effort and patience, they can yield significant results over time. On the other hand, if you have a budget to spare, you can opt for paid traffic sources like advertising on platforms such as Google Ads or Facebook ads. Paid traffic can provide quicker results and scalability, but it comes with a financial investment. But what's the difference, you ask? Well, let's dive right into those in the next segment. But wait, let's take a quick pause. I'd love to hear from you, our amazing audience. Are you excited to boost your income with these online earning opportunities? Let the money flow from all directions by following our Pivot Online strategies. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below because we're here to guide you and provide answers. Your engagement keeps this community vibrant and informed, so don't hesitate to join the conversation. Traffic sources. Let's get right back to step 2. When it comes to promoting your affiliate product, the choice of platform plays a pivotal role. This decision largely hinges on the resources at your disposal, mainly your time and budget. Let's explore both free and paid traffic sources to help you make an informed choice. Free traffic sources. Can you guess the best free traffic source? That's right, YouTube. After all, you're on it right now. YouTube stands out as one of the most effective platforms for long-term results in affiliate marketing. You have the flexibility to create content without showing your face, making it accessible for all. Whether it's product reviews, tutorials, or other valuable content, YouTube offers a substantial and engaged audience. Next up, Instagram. While not as powerful as YouTube, Instagram serves as a good backup option. You can create a faceless theme page and leverage relevant hashtags to expand your reach. Instagram's visual appeal and engagement features can help you build a loyal following. If you're not in on the hype yet, then we introduce to you blogging. Despite being considered old-fashioned, blogs still possess the capacity to attract a substantial audience. Consistent and high-quality content on a well-optimized blog can bring in organic traffic over time. Paid traffic sources. YouTube ads. Paid traffic sources on YouTube can be incredibly effective. You can retarget viewers who've already watched your videos, capitalizing on their existing interest in your niche. This approach can be a valuable addition to your strategy, especially when you're looking for quicker results. Meta ads. That's right. Ads made in Meta are cross-platform, making you hit two birds with one stone by using them. Facebook and Instagram ads are go-to options for many successful affiliates. They provide precise targeting options, enabling you to reach your ideal audience effectively. These platforms can be particularly lucrative when you have a budget to allocate to advertising. Your choice between free and paid traffic sources should align with your available resources and your affiliate marketing goals. Carefully consider your comfort level, budget, and the preferences of your target audience to create a strategy that maximizes your chances of success. Step 3. Posting high-quality content. To succeed in the world of affiliate marketing, the quality of the content you produce is paramount. High-quality content not only captures the attention of your target audience, but also drives engagement and conversions. Firstly, invest in creating SEO content. This involves crafting content that centers around keywords commonly searched for within your niche. Your SEO-optimized content should provide valuable information, address common queries, and offer practical solutions to common problems. Effective SEO content helps improve your search engine rankings, making it easier for potential customers to discover your affiliate offers. Another essential content type is product reviews. These reviews should be honest and comprehensive, offering your audience an unbiased evaluation of the products you're promoting. Highlight the advantages and disadvantages, and provide your personal insights. Transparency and authenticity are highly valued by your audience, helping them make informed purchase decisions. Tutorials are also another powerful way to exhibit your expertise and build trust with your viewers. Develop step-by-step how-to guides on topics within your niche, breaking down complex tasks into easily understandable steps. Offering valuable tips and insights further establishes your credibility as a reliable source of information. Lastly, consider creating content that involves the recreation of popular content within your niche. Analyze successful videos or content and then recreate them with your unique perspective, providing additional value. Your fresh insights and unique approach can set your content apart and draw a wider audience. Step 4. Collecting emails. In affiliate marketing, building an email list is a vital step in engaging your audience and promoting affiliate products effectively. Here's a concise method to gather email addresses. To begin, offer valuable incentives to your audience. Encourage them to share their email addresses in exchange for something beneficial such as a guide, ebook, or a mini-course tailored to your niche. The key is to provide content that genuinely addresses their interests or needs. To streamline the process and effectively manage your email lists, consider using email marketing tools like Kajabi. These platforms simplify the collection, organization, and distribution of emails to your subscribers. They also offer analytics and automation features to enhance your email marketing campaigns. By collecting and expanding your email list, you create a direct line of communication with your audience. This allows you to nurture relationships, deliver valuable content, and promote affiliate products more efficiently. By being able to send your links directly to your potential customers, email marketing is a potent tool to boost conversions and maximize your earnings in the world of affiliate marketing. Step 5. Optimization. Finally, like all things, this guide ends with optimization. In the ever-evolving landscape of affiliate marketing, continuous improvement is paramount. Regularly assess your content, identifying what resonates and what doesn't with your audience. Adjust and refine your content strategy accordingly. Stay informed about the latest developments and trends within your niche, ensuring your content remains relevant. Communication with your audience is crucial, so keep them updated on these changes. By embracing a culture of optimization, you'll adapt to the dynamic nature of affiliate marketing, stay ahead of the curve, and maximize your affiliate earnings. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.